welcome. Today in this video we will be showing you how to replace the blow-off valve of this Jimny for a newer blow-off valve that goes push. You want to go ahead and loosen up these hose clamps. If you don't have an 8mm socket, you can also use a flathead screwdriver. So after you've done all of that, now you need to repeat the process, but backwards.
A few moments later.
The old twisty twisty. Don't eh?
Yep, 5 minutes.
Nice.
I think.
Alright, I hope you guys can hear me okay. Let's give her a little test drive and see how she sounds. Ooh. I like that. That's nice. Oh yeah, I like that sound. It's not fast, but at least it sounds good. Alright, I hope you all loved the video. Please give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace!